Hello buddies and welcome back to this masterclass for the beginner in Python programming language. It's your guy once again, the Wolf, and today on 24th April. I'm so excited that we really doing great with Python. So without much ado, let's get started. Okay, so yesterday we learned about a set, and today we're still going to learn on how to join the sets. So I'll start off by creating a new file here, or I should actually delete, or why should I not use this one? But to be more cleaner, I think I should. And if you are new, you can follow this procedure. Just click new and a new file, and I'm creating a Python file. So because we are joining a set, so I'm going to just call it join set, right? And I really like things to do with Camocus, right? It really looks pretty much better, you see. So I'm just going to hit enter. And here we have our file that is a Py file. So okay, so there are several ways to join two or more sets in Python, and we have methods, and so we will only just look at one of it because there's so many. As of today, we will just check on the union method, which actually let me just mention them. There are just a few of them. There are just four. That is the union and the update method, which actually joins all the items from both sets, and the intersections method that keeps only the duplicates. So if you use this method, you will only to keep the duplicate which was there. So the difference also method keeps the item from first set that are not in the other sets. Look at that. So the last one is the symmetrical difference, which keeps all the items except the duplicate. So we'll start off by doing the union as of today. So the union method returns a new set with all items from both sets. So we will have to start by creating some two sets or whatever we want. So remember, we said that creating a set, we just use a curly bracket, and let's call it set 1. Set 1 is equal to, so creating a set, just use this curly bracket, and so we can have our set. So let's set something inside, and we can have today. What will we talk about? Again, let's have a set of what letters. Okay, that would be cool. So let's have A, and then should have B here, and let's have by the CPC is on. Oh, so I want to pronounce that. Okay, that's tricky. So this is Abu Ku. So let me have Ku here. Ku. So I have Abu Ku. There we go. This is a set of letters, right? So let's have a lot of numbers. This now I'm supposed to another one. So let's set 2. Let me have a set of numbers. Should I call set name? Let me just have a set of number. So I will have because this one we don't use the string character here, but we just put them because they are object. Actually, numbers are object, primitive object. I don't know. You can check that out. I think they're just object. So 2, 3. So I just want to join these two sets and using a union method. So to do that, I will have to create maybe another set here called set 3. So I want to join these two sets together, and then I put them in set 3. So I'll just take set 1 and set 2. That is it. So let me just take set 1 and add set 2. Control copy, and then dot. Now I'm using, you see, oh, we have some main method. Actually, this M here means a method. So we have some main method that we can utilize to in a set. So if you have a set, there's this employee method like copy pop. Pop is getting out union, so we're going to use this union. You can see we have clear differences. So discard, intersection. There are so many that you can try them out and see what they have. So remove, you can see there, uppercase, issue update. There's so many of them, so you can try them out, but let's just use union. So make it better. So we want to union with this one here. So copy that, paste it here. So if I print out, let's see if we can print set 3. If we print set 3, what will we get? We get the book, Kudu, and numbers, because now we have united them, right? So this method is really beautiful. It's really beautiful. Yes. So just print this. So print is just a new build method you can use now. So don't ask me where you get what is the print for, bro. This print is for inbuilt method function that we can use to print things on the console. That's what we use this for. If you're new, of course you're new. So let's print set 3. Control copy, just paste it here, and now we can try out and run and find out whether we have united them. So let me just run this. So I'm hitting this button here, so you can see here the console down here. Look at this. Wow, so we have one, and they're not even sorted. I thought that we will have Abukudu and then we go with numbers. So we already have said that, but I said it's not indexed, so it's just random. Every time you run, you get a different thing. So just look at this. If I run again now, oh, 1, 2, 3, let me just run again. Wow, it's random. So I said you cannot actually do what? I don't know. You can add things and move, but you cannot change anything as I said. And you cannot even predict the position. Because wow, this is awesome. This set is really doing great with me. Okay, let's go back and continue to do everything here. So that's how actually we use the union. And by the way, again, you can use this operator, which is like a separator. Okay, a separator is just a line. You can use that again to unite them instead of using union method, and you can get the same result. Imagine, can we try that? Yes, of course. So let's use this separator between the two sets. So I have the set here. So you can comment this out, or you can just let them print nothing. So let me just leave it this for now, because I don't want to get stuffy, you know. Clean, really. I do arranging things. I love seeing my things arranged. Okay, so I will have set 3 here. In fact, I need that print because it's that we will have to print here. So let's have set 3 here, which is this set 1, and then we use that operator, we use a separator. Okay. It's actually shift on the keyboard, and then there is above double lines, vertical lines. Yes, they are vertical. So set 2. Yeah. is a variable. You see that v over there? It's telling you that this is a variable. So we have taken this variable 1 and 2 and we have used this operator to unite them. So if we print set 3, and then let's find out whether we can have, yeah, here we have, and then we have numbers, and you see now you can use that. Again, let's see on how we can join multiple sets. So all the joining methods and operator can be used to join multiple sets, and when using a method, just add more sets in the parentheses, and then you can separate by a comma. You know, I don't like talking, we talk much, but this is a practical thing, okay? So let's join multiple set with the union method. So let's create a multiple set here first of all. So let me just add set 3 and just so set 3, I want to have names, right? So I can remember names, you have to put them in a string character because it's a string. So let me have Kasongo, and let me have separate with a comma and have who else? Matian, right? Matian. Okay, something like that. I'm not sure. So let's have these two names here, and let me have another set. A set of what? Let me have a set of what? Maybe you should have from Kasongo. What do you get from Kasongo? Kasongo anapanda nini kwa kosugu wanapanda kwa naweza kuona ana viazi na wanafuga mifugo. I mean, they're farmers, right? Oh, yeah. Produce a cook. So cook. They're farmer. Kutoka kwa kina Matiang'i kwa tunapata nini kutoka kwao. So this is a set of set 4. I don't know what I'm doing. So this is some banana here. Banana. So I just wanted to use union and see whether we can join multiple sets, right? So to do that, I can again have my set here now. My set. Okay, I have camel case. My set. So I can assign the set 1 to this set 1 dot remove union. Here we have another union, then we can have our every sets there. Control. So you can pick whatever set that you want. You can pick even set 3 and then union with the rest that you're not picking. So whichever, but now I'm just picking set 1 because that seems to be logic. So set 1 union, set 2, just copy this. If you're slow like me or you're lazy like me, just do this because that's much easy. Remember to put a comma there. So control copy and paste here. And lastly we have this set 3, control copy and paste over there. And from here now, what do we have? So we have set 3, set 2, okay. And then now, let me just print that. I don't know what print line is for, but let's find out my set. So I can print my set. Oh, I got this print function. So I use this control. Set. Okay, so I have this set. Okay, that's cool. That's right. Boom. There we go. So we have used this set union, and you have seen that we got all our sets down, and that really worked in a multiple sets. Again, I don't know how long. Okay. Let's just do it. let's just use this operator, which is a separator. And then you see that we can add more. What sets. So I just use it on the other. I just delete this and then I delete that, and then I will delete that, use that. Fact and should. Now yes, because I'm not going to use the video, just the control Z. Okay, let me just delete it to here, and then use the settings operator, and here and there, plus, and then I do that. So you see, so we can use this operator here. Just run and see whether the same result, of which that should be true. There you go. So in the next lesson we will learn on how to join a set and a tuple, because now a set we've been, this is a set. We will learn on how to create a tuple, but if you don't know, you can go to the previous lesson on my YouTube channel, then get lesson 1 to lesson 17. Yeah, so you can learn tuple there, but in the next lesson we will learn on how to change the set and the tuple. So see you in